Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the little button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And now we can check the amount of steps taken in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. As you can see, mine doesn't show it, but what we can do is to open the menu by pressing the back button, scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and then tap on it. In settings we can find the option called watch face and tap on it. Here you can select the layout of your watch face, the one you prefer, then background, how it looks like, then theme color, and then you will see the data option. And here you can tap on the data pool, not pool but spot, set the data to what you like, and one of them it could be steps, I believe. Yeah, so we can set steps and something else, and then maybe calories. And once you're done, you can swipe up, tap on the check mark, and the watch face will be applied. And now we have the step counter on the watch face, and we can check it whenever we like. Another way to check the amount of steps taken is to swipe left on the home screen on the current watch face to open the list of widgets, and first widget will be activity, and here we have the step counter. You can also tap on the activity widget to open the activity app, I would say, or something like that, and here you have more detailed information about that. And you also have the step counter. Okay, and if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to check that stuff. So we can move this to the side, bring our phone that is paired with our watch, and on the phone that is paired with our watch we need to open the Polar Flow application. But let me first zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay, and here we have our phone. Let's open the Polar Flow on it. Okay, in the app you should see the today page, but we want to tap on menu icon, tap on activity, and here we have the activity. Sometimes the data might be not updated. If it's not, you need to sync your watch with the phone, so press and hold the back button and wait until the watch is done syncing with your phone, and hopefully that will update your data in the app. As you can see, apparently my watch wasn't paired with a phone, so let's pair it. For some reason it wasn't paired. I was sure it was, so my bad. Let's wait until it's done connecting with a phone. Let's check the progress. So let's go to the device page, and it is here. So it should be working now. Let's try again. Let's go back and enter the pairing mode, or this syncing mode again. Syncing. Okay, and now it's syncing. Let's wait until it's done. We had 4 steps, I believe, on the counter. Hopefully it will update. Yep, here we have it. So as you can see, after you sync the watch with the app, it will update the data, and you can check it here. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can close the app. And that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.